Okay, so if you're a business owner, you know this feeling all too well. You spend all this time, all this money, and all this effort just to get the phone to ring. But then, a great lead calls after hours, or they get put on hold and just hang up. You know, that's not just a missed call, it's literally lost revenue walking out the door. Today, we're going to dive into a technology that's designed to make that whole problem a thing of the past. We're talking about the AI-powered agent. No, really, just stop and think about that for a second. What would it actually mean for your business if every single person who reached out to you got an immediate, an intelligent, and a genuinely helpful response, no matter if it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m.? So before we get to the solution, let's really dig into the problem. We're going to start by looking at the real cost of just one of those missed calls. Because the old way of handling inbound leads, it's like a leaky bucket, and those little leaks can seriously sink a business's growth. And this slide just lays out that whole domino effect perfectly, right? It starts with something simple, a missed call after 5 p.m. Then, the next customer gets stuck on hold forever. Maybe the next one gets an employee who's having a bad day and gives an inconsistent answer. Each one of these little failures just tips over the next until you get to the final domino, lost revenue and a burnt-out team. It's a vicious cycle of missed opportunities that hits your bottom line hard. All right, so that's the problem. And it's a big one. So, what's the fix? Well, this is where the AI agent steps into the picture. It's a technology that's basically designed to plug every single one of those leaks we just talked about and capture all that value that was previously just disappearing.
And wow, this slide just puts the difference in stark contrast, doesn't it? I mean, on the left, you've got all the frustrations we know and hate. The awful hold music, the simple fact of human error, and that hard stop at closing time. But then you look to the right and you see the alternative. Instant responses, perfectly on-brand conversations every single time, 24/7, 365 availability, which means every single lead gets captured.
But what is a voice AI agent really? Let's be clear, this is not just some clunky, robotic recording. It's a really sophisticated system that uses advanced speech recognition and natural language understanding to have conversations that are genuinely human-like. The key difference, though, is that it has capabilities that are, well, kind of superhuman. It's always available, and it can handle a virtually unlimited number of calls at the exact same time.
Okay, so we know what it is, but how does this all actually work in the real world? Let's break down how an AI agent takes a simple phone call and transforms it into a complete, intelligent workflow for your business.
It all kicks off with an instant answer, day or night. Then, the AI doesn't just hear the words, it understands what the caller actually wants. Are they trying to book an appointment? Get a quote, ask a question. It captures all their key information, automatically syncs it right into your CRM, and can even trigger the next steps, like sending them a follow-up text. And, this part is crucial, it's smart enough to know when the conversation needs to be passed to a human teammate, and it does it seamlessly, without losing any of that important context.
And really, the magic behind this whole process comes down to these core capabilities. The conversations feel natural and flowing, not robotic and scripted. The speech recognition is incredibly precise, so you don't have to worry about it missing key details. And look, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can completely customize its personality, its voice, and its responses to perfectly match your brand.
You know, this quote from the source material just sums up the whole value proposition perfectly. It's about removing all that friction for your potential customers and creating a consistently positive, professional first impression for your business every single time.
But look, just answering the phone smarter is really only the beginning. The real power here comes from all the features that turn these conversations into tangible, measurable growth for your business.
And here's a super important point. This intelligence isn't just stuck on your phone line. As you can see right here, the exact same powerful AI agent can be put to work across your website's chat, your social media DMs, qualifying leads and booking appointments from every single channel. It creates one unified, powerful system for capturing leads.
And what really sets a platform like Kontactly apart is the focus on execution. It's multi-channel, like we just saw. It's designed for a no-code setup, which means you can get it live in minutes, not weeks. The AI is specifically fine-tuned for sales conversations, which makes a huge difference. And when you add in those seamless human handoffs and the real-time analytics, well, you have a complete system, not just a cool feature.
And for anybody out there thinking, okay, this sounds great, but I bet it's a total nightmare to set up, well, this is key.
The whole system is designed to plug directly into the tools you and your team already use every single day. We're talking your CRM, your calendar, and automation tools like Zapier. The point is to enhance your current workflow, not blow it up.
So with all of that in mind, the big question is, who is this actually for? I mean, which types of businesses are going to see the biggest and fastest return from putting an AI agent to work?
Well, the short answer is pretty much any service-based business where a booked appointment is the absolute lifeblood of the company. I mean, think about it. A real estate agent qualifying a hot buyer at midnight on a Saturday, an HVAC company booking an emergency consultation at 10 p.m., or a law firm intaking a new client while all the partners are busy in court. It's all about capturing those high-intent customers the very moment they decide they need your help.
You know, when you boil it all down, it really comes back to this. This single number is the most disruptive, most powerful part of the entire equation, being always on, always ready. This is what changes the game from passively waiting for leads to come to you to actively capturing every single one of them.
So when you put it all together, the core business value is just crystal clear. You can scale your operations without having to hire more staff. You're going to book more meetings, period, because you're engaging leads the second they reach out. The data that goes into your CRM becomes richer and way more accurate. And your sales team gets hot leads routed to them instantly, right when it matters most.
The big takeaway here is this. This technology isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting them. It's a strategic tool that allows businesses to connect with more people, convert more of those connections into actual business, and grow way more efficiently by automating that entire front end of the conversation.
And that really leaves us with one final question to think about. If all of that frontline engagement, all that lead qualification, and all that scheduling was just handled automatically, 24/7, what could you and your team actually achieve with all of that freed up time and energy? What's the big strategic work you could finally get to? That right there is the real potential of this revolution.